Hey. Alright. We're gonna be okay. It's super beautiful!
Hi, you guys, I'm coming with my
Hey! July 1st or July 2nd. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's July 2nd.
Woo!
No, Ricky,
Yes,
Lonnie.
July 2nd.
Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. They won't
That is
like.
cool.
They won't come running
Look
at
at all the
you.
smoke, though.
I know. That
That's
kind
a
of
lot of
that kind of
smoke.
reminds me of the smoking problem.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna see if there's more fireworks, or we're just gonna record us catching some
Oh, goodness.
fireflies.
Yep. That's my cousin. He's videoing, too.
Julia,
Kimani.
Kimani, you can't show my face. I'm gonna do a face reveal at 1 million subscribers. Don't worry, you can just delete it.
Well, they're not going to see it because I don't really have a YouTube channel on my phone.
Oh, there's something over there. There's something like glowing over there.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
like and subscribe if you can see it.
Yeah, high five there.
There's something over there. So yeah,
This is done.
again, happy
I
Fourth,
think it's done.
happy July.
Yeah, happy July. I'm going to show a face reveal.
July, August, September.
I'm just going to delete this.
Wow. School break is fast.
Hi, Grandma. We're just taking
Hi, Grandma.
videos of the,
Fireworks.
yeah.
And then,
Ooh, I see
oh my God,
Here's some.
there's something over there.
I want to go over there, but we can't.
There's something that flew up, and then it was supposed to explode, I think.
Ooh, they're down there.
So yeah, we're just going. So yeah. Oh my God! Yes.
Look.
Whoa, that's so beautiful.
So beautiful. Grandma,
Okay.
you should get your phone.
So when the fireworks are done, we're just gonna record ourselves catching some butterflies.
Yeah. Basically, me always.
Yeah.
No, there's a car coming. Is it coming for that house? Nope.
Oh, there's a
Missed
firefly
it.
over there.
Missed it.
Hold on, I have a trail.
You are the reason why.
And then I'm gonna bring my phone for the actual 4th of July, and then we're gonna watch some fireworks with my mom.
Okay. With your mom?
Mhm.
Your mom's gonna come?
Yeah, she's gonna take me on July 4th.
She's gonna take you here?
No, she's gonna take me to her house on July 4th.
Woo!
Yes!
Woo!
That has to be the final one.
No, that's not the final one.
Yeah, so like we're gonna keep recording until the fireworks are done, and then
I'm gonna put my camera right here.
I don't recommend. It might ruin it because phones aren't good with water.
No.
But yeah, remember, face reveal at 1 million subscribers.
I don't think you're gonna get 1 million, but I believe in you.
Hey, a time worth a lot of work.
Because who would type that?
Well, honestly, someone that's
How
That's-
many subscribers do you have again?
8.
8.
And I have 57 videos. Oh, there's something.
Are those the last
Fireworks?
fireworks?
I sense there's more. I literally sense there.
Yeah. Dang it.
Aw.
That's really sad.
We caught a lot of fireworks. We caught a lot of fireworks in motion.
None.
Don't worry. We'll still be okay. We will still have this memory in my YouTube channel.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
And you can just search on my YouTube channel and watch it whenever you want.
If I miss it.
Yeah! Oh my God, firefly. So we're just gonna like go into our
Oh,
backyard.
I forgot. Yeah.
We're just gonna go into our backyard.
Can I go get my shoes first?
Sure.
Come on, come with me.
Sure. We'll be waiting out the front door. Oh my God, Barry.
Meet me at the back door.
Okay.
Meet me at. Hurry up, because I'm gonna go. No, go.
Hold up. 1 minute. I'm gonna catch. Okay. Here's the firefly.
Go.
All right, let's go to the back. This is little cutie. But fly whenever you want. He's on my ring finger. Ringer. We have Keelani with us. Oh, here he goes. Alright. Will he fly away? Because I know that fireflies like to fly at the tip of any surface that they're on. Alright.
You coming?
We're going.
Why are you taking my shoes?
Because somebody said my shoes.
No,
Alright.
somebody didn't take your shoes.
Alright, buddy. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube
Not
channel.
my fault. Put my shoes where I put my shoes.
So yeah, there's a fire over there. Oh, another one. Whoop. So yeah, he's Gilani, my little cousin. Oh, there's my grandma's dog. Her name is Daisy. What's this?
Dad, wait.
All right, you coming?
Yep.
Let's do this.
You guys, they were done with the
Yeah, they were done with the fireworks,
Yeah,
and
so we.
those were the most
Oh, I
visible.
just see one. Who did I see?
And those were the most visible ones that we can see. So
And
we're
I
just gonna
see a
go into
fire.
our back.
I see a fire.
Yeah, that's our fire. That's their fire in our backyard. Well, in my grandma's backyard. Oh yeah, there's some mushrooms over here.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna pick one.
Don't do it. They're poisonous. They'll kill you. They also eat dead bodies. So if you die, then its mushroom friends are probably going to eat your dead carcass
How would it go alive and eat me?
with its roots.
There's no one.
So here's the fire. Here's the
So
fire.
should I kill it?
Sure, stomp on it. Stomp on it, but don't eat it. Because the edible ones are used through a
Come on,
farm.
we need to go find some, right?
Let's show.
Y'all, we have a new swing.
Alright guys, so
Let's show our followers our swing.
alright, so
This
this
is
is-
the middle swing.
this is our new swing.
This is
We got it.
a swing.
Our grandma got it.
Turnaround
Swing.
swing.
Okay.
This is a regular.
So I'm gonna go
This
check.
is our new swing.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go check out the chicken coop. This,
I'm coming too. We're going to the
so this is actually the first time I've recorded a video outside. Oh,
Chickens are asleep.
1 minute. I'm gonna turn on.
Oh, goodness.
I'm gonna turn on my
Turn
flash.
on the light. Me too. I'm going to turn on the light.
Aw, flashlight's in use. So yeah, there's some chickens right here.
Mine isn't loose too.
They might
Well,
have.
I'm scared of them, you guys.
1 minute.
Look,
Yep, there's still a chicken in there.
there's one right there.
Alright, so yeah, there's some
You can't really
chickens.
see it.
There's some chickens.
Yeah. And we can't turn on our flashlight.
Yeah, my phone kind of sucks, so
Yeah,
we
mine's
couldn't get
too
them.
because mine's is unused too.
So yeah, it's
And
not
look at our porch. It's so beautiful.
beautiful. I know. Here's our neighbor's house, and that
Oh, and our other neighbor's house.
yeah.
Oh, and then we got this fire.
Here's our.
And it's red.
That's our main neighbor's house.
This is where we sit
Yeah,
when
sometimes
we're
we
watching the fire.
chill here for a sec. So yeah,
It's
make sure
wet.
to like and subscribe, and make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a very good day.